Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is hyperbola. How can we able to recognize that this is hyperbola with the help of the eccentricity? Hyperbola. Hyperbola eccentricity is greater than 1. And as we know it, the eccentricity formula is C upon A. It means that the C is always greater than A. That's why it is greater than 1. Hyperbola lie on the x-axis and as well as on the y-axis. The center point is noted by H, K. Center point is denoted by H, K. Number 2, the vertex is called transverse representing major, which is equal to H plus A, K. And when it will lie on the y-axis, the vertex or transverse vertex will be H, K plus minus A. Plus minus A. Conjugate vertices. Vertices is the right word. Vertex is used for one. Vertex is used for more than one. H, K plus minus B. Conjugate is equal to H, H plus minus B, K. Number 4, length of lattice rectum. Wait, length of lattice is called letter recta actually. Letter recta. Whose both value is same. Like on the x-axis, 2b square upon a. For x-axis and for y-axis, both are same. Length of transverse axis, a dash, is also same in both the x-axis and y-axis, which is 2a. Length of my conjugate axis, which is b dash, which is equal to 2b, and it is also same in the both axes. Length of foci, the 7th point, is also same, f dash is equal to 2c. Now I am picking 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 are same for the both axes. Now come on the 8th point. I have already discussed about the eccentricity. It is greater than 1. And the relationship between the ABC, it's also same for x-axis and y-axis. This is the ABE relationship, eccentricity A and B relationship. And the 9th point is B square is equal to C square minus A square. The most important thing, I will write it down on the next page, is equation for the x-axis and equation for the y-axis for hyperbola. All particulars, all features are in this slide. Now moving forward. Hyperbola for x-axis, hyperbola for y-axis. What is the basic difference in the equation? Like on the x-axis, keep in mind one thing. This is the equation. This is the standard form of the hyperbola. What you have realized, just see my spotlight. In hyperbola, the center sign will be negative. If this sign is positive, the A will lie definitely with it. If it is positive, it's representing the x is positive, is representing the hyperbola lie on x-axis. And A will be in the denominator. And if the hyperbola is lying on the y-axis, it will be positive, and A will be lie in denominator y minus k whole square, and B will be on the other side with the negative one. If this one is positive, y-axis. If this one is positive, x-axis. But A will lie whatever it is positive. This is the major difference. Hyperbola shape is this one. For example, it is lying x-axis. This point is AA dash. Length of transverse axis. Length of major axis. This is FF dash, this is foci. This is your center point, which is H comma K. If you will see, so yes, C is, as I have discussed, E is C upon A, and C is greater than A. That's why eccentricity is greater than 1. If you will notice, this is C, this is whole C, this is whole minus C. So C is greater than, and this is A. So yes, C is greater than A. It has proved. There are 2 equations of directrices. Noted down the one more point. Equation of directrices for x-axis and y-axis. Equation of directrices for x-axis is h plus minus a upon e, and you can also write it down h plus minus c upon e square. Both are same. Here y is equal to k plus minus a upon e, or you can write it down y is equal to k plus minus c upon e square. Eccentricity is always positive because it's a ratio between 2 distances. The directrix line will lie here for the axis. Thank you.